Perfection is a lie. It whispers, not yet. You are not ready. Wait until it's better. But waiting kills momentum. Perfection doesn't protect you. It paralyzes you. Stop chasing perfect. Start showing up. You think you are being intentional, but perfection is just fear in a better outfit. Fear of judgment, fear of failure, fear of not being enough. So you hesitate. You plan instead of post. You scroll instead of start. But here's the truth. The world doesn't need your perfection. It needs your presence. Presence means you show up, even when it's messy, even when it's imperfect, even when the voice says you should be further ahead. Presence means this moment is enough to begin. One breath, one action, one rep. Not flawless, just real. And real is what builds momentum. Real is what builds identity. Real is what changes you. Let me break the cycle, the perfection loop. Wait, overthink, delay, feel guilty, repeat. The presence loop. Breathe, begin, build, lock the win, grow. One keeps you stuck and the other sets you free. You don't need more pressure. You need more proof that showing up is enough. One honest rep beats 10 imaginary ones. Let me repeat this. One honest rep beats 10 imaginary ones. Every time you show up, imperfect but honest, you prove something powerful to yourself. I can be trusted to move. That's where real confidence is born. Not from control, not from perfection, from self-integrity. And the more you show up fully, the less you need to prove. So how do you practice this? Here's how to shift in the real world. Breathe before you begin. Anchor the moment. One long exhale. Get here. Set a micro target. Not write a book, write one paragraph. Not fix my life, one choice I'm proud of. Log the evidence. Write it down. I showed up today. It counted. Proof builds the new you. That's not fluff. That's neuroplasticity on demand. And it works. If you don't trust me, just try it out. This is what we build Morning Mastery for. Not to make your life more perfect, but to make your presence unshakable. A daily system that anchors your mind, connects you to your body, and trains your nervous system to lead with clarity. Not for aesthetics, not for hype, just 1 hour that makes you unbreakable without being perfect. Morning Mastery, where presence begins. You have been taught to chase perfect, but now you know better. Don't wait to be flawless. Be fully here. One breath, one move, one rep. Name your next honest action. Then grab the Morning Mastery Starter Pack in the description and start showing up like the person you were built to be. Presence builds power. Perfection is a distraction. Show up, breathe, build. Own your mind, own your life.